Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today I am back with a H&M haul because I absolutely love H&M, especially in kind of autumn winter. I just think they do like amazing kind of knitwear and coats, and it's always like super affordable. So I've been picking up quite a few bits from there. So I'll be showing you all of the pieces and obviously trying them on, and everything will be linked down below. And this video is very kindly sponsored by Shoptagger, which I know some of you already use and love it because I get so many messages on it. But if you haven't heard of it, it's basically like a website kind of app plugin thing that alerts you when items go on sale. So you can use it on so many websites such as like H&M, Topshop, ASOS, pretty much like every website. I use the plugin on Google Chrome, but they also have an app as well which you can download. So when I'm shopping online and I find like an item I like but it might be a little bit too pricey, I will click the little like Shoptagger button, and then you can choose like what size you want, like how much you want off it and everything, and you can also save it into like little kind of collections or like lists, which is a really great way to kind of organise your shopping. And then yeah, save it to that, and then when that item goes on sale I will get like an email telling me as soon as it goes on sale, so I can kind of go over and buy it. Or obviously if you have the app you can set it up so you get a push notification, which is really handy as well. They've also recently launched a new feature which basically tells you if there's any like discount codes or coupon codes active at that time, so that way you know you're kind of always getting the best price. So yeah, I'll link them down below if you want to go download it, because it's super handy, especially now you're getting into like winter, and things like knitwear and coats can get so expensive. So it's great like if things go on sale or if there's like a coupon code active, it will alert you, so you can maybe get like 20% off, 30% off, which when you're buying like £100 coats, it really helps. Anyway, moving on to the rest of the haul. I have this little skirt here which is so cute. It's in this kind of like camel tan colour, and it's made of like a corduroy fabric. I think that's what it's called. So it's super kind of like comfy and soft. I got this in a size 8 and it was £17.99. I wear it with like a little white turtleneck at the moment and maybe like trainers or boots, but as you get into winter you could definitely pair it with some like black tights, or even like black over the knee boots. I think would look really cute with it. Okay, so this is what the skirt looks like on. I think it's very cute and like autumnal. I love the colour, and it also feels like super comfortable. I've got it in the size 8, I think I've said that already. I feel like it's not too short at the back, which is a bonus. But yeah, I've just paired it with this little like white turtleneck and then some kind of like browny black snake print boots. I then have this like jumpsuit here. I haven't tried this on yet, so I'm hoping it looks as nice as it does on like the model on the website, because she looks like amazing in it. But it's this kind of like creamy white jumpsuit, and it's kind of super flowy and has these kind of like wide legs at the bottom. Yeah, that makes sense. And then it kind of has like a utility style, and kind of just does up with a little belt. But this was £39.99 and I got it in a size 10. Okay, so this is what the jumpsuit looks like on. Excuse the fact it needs an iron. I've just paired it with some heels, but I think it would also look really nice with like sliders or sandals on holiday, like if you're going to the beach or something. But yeah, I feel like there's so many different ways to wear it. I've kind of dressed it as if I was going out for like dinner or something. But yeah, super cute. Feels like really nice quality. It's a nice kind of lightweight fabric, so even though we're going into winter it would be perfect for like summer as well. I feel like the size 10 fits really well. I was worried it might be a little bit too big, but I think because of the belt it kind of like cinches it in really nicely. But yeah, let me know your thoughts. I think for the price as well, it's really good. The length of it I feel like is a good length as well. Obviously I'm quite tall, so you can kind of see my heels at the bottom, but if you were a little bit shorter it would kind of go floor length with heels. But when I'm in flats it kind of just touches the floor, which I think is a great length. I feel like H&M do such good knitwear, so I picked up quite a few like little jumpers and bits. So the first thing I picked up is this super fluffy jumper. I'm not sure if you can tell, but it is like really fluffy and just so soft. I love any kind of like simple jumper which has a slightly different kind of fabric or like texture to it, because I think it just makes like, it's such a basic jumper. If this was just like your normal knit, it would be a little bit boring, but because it's this kind of like fluffy fabric, I think it just adds a little bit of like a texture to your outfit, makes it a little bit more interesting. But I got this in a small, and price wise it was £19.99. Like I said, H&M for knitwear is just so affordable. So yeah, I was thinking this with maybe like some blue mum jeans would look really nice. This is the white fluffy jumper on. I absolutely love this. I had a similar one from Zara. I think I bought it last year, but it accidentally got like caught on something, and there's a massive hole in the back. So I'm so glad I found like a similar kind of one. But yeah, just super comfy, really soft, really cozy. Yeah, I feel like you could definitely wear it kind of out now in kind of like autumn on its own, or with like a light jacket, or definitely in winter as well with like a teddy coat or something. But yeah, super simple. If I untuck it, this is kind of like the length of it, but you could definitely get it in like a few sizes bigger if you wanted it to have like that oversized look, or if you wanted it to be tighter, then like you can go down a size or two. The next knitwear piece I picked up is just this kind of like chunky knit little cardigan. I thought this was so cute. I've been really into cardigans recently, like I never used to be, but this year I've just been all over them. So this one's quite like a chunky kind of oversized fit. It has like a cropped kind of look to it, which I think is perfect with like high-waisted jeans. I got it in a size medium because I wanted it to be like quite oversized. And then price, it was, okay, it's £24.99, and this does feel like really good quality, and it's not itchy at all, which is like my pet hate when it comes to knitwear, is when things are like super itchy, whereas this is like super comfortable. Okay, so this is the cardigan on. Like I said, I've been loving this kind of thing recently. They're just kind of super comfy, but I've only actually got like long ones, so this one is more of kind of like a cropped version. But yeah, I think it's really cute. Okay, this is not really like wintry at all, but I just fell in love with it on the website, so decided to pick it up. But it's this really cute kind of polka dot satin little like tea dress, I would say. Yeah, it's in a mini style, and it just kind of crosses over in the front. I got it in a UK size 8, and then price wise it was £39.99, so it is a little bit pricey, but the like fabric of it is really good quality. I'm excited to try it on because I haven't yet. I just ordered it from online, and the parcel came today, so yeah, you should be able to see what it looks like on, and if I decide to kind of keep it or not. Okay, so this is what the dress looks like on. I think it's so cute. I'm so sad that I've only got it now and I didn't get it like the beginning of summer or something, because I would have worn it so much. But I still feel like I'm going to keep it, and I can wear it next summer. Well, I'm sure there's still a few days left of like summer where I can probably get away with wearing it. But yeah, it's just a really cute little kind of satin dress. Feels really nice. It's not too short at the back, which I like. But yeah, I just think you could wear it to so many different occasions. You could definitely dress it up with a pair of heels, or wear it with like trainers during the day. But yeah, let me know your thoughts. I then just wanted to pick up a really basic cream roll neck. I wear these so much in the winter. They're really good to layer. I love that this like high neck is not too much, because sometimes they're a little bit like bunchy and you've got to roll it over loads, where this one's got a slight like high neck but nothing too much. It's just long sleeved, kind of quite tight and figure hugging. I got it in a size small, and then I think it was £9.99, so really good price. But I just think these kind of things go with everything. Chuck it on with like a little skirt, with a pair of jeans. They're just really handy to have in your wardrobe. Okay, so this is what just the like creamy white roll neck looks like on. Probably best to wear a nude bra with it. I've got a white one on at the moment and you can kind of see it, so yeah, probably best to just wear a nude one. But yeah, really like comfortable, easy to chuck on, goes with like so much, so I've just paired it with this little skirt here, but you can wear it with like jeans, trousers, skirts. Next up we just have this kind of denim jacket, but it has like a tie in the middle, so it kind of hits like mid-thigh, and it has this little like tie in the middle, as I was saying, just said that. But yeah, I just thought this was a little bit different, but it's great for kind of this like autumn weather when it's not like freezing cold, so you don't have to wear like big coats, but you just want to chuck on like a light jacket or something. This was, I'm not sure how much it was because I picked it up from the showroom and there's not like a price tag on it, but I will try my best to link it down below. But size wise I got it in a UK 6, and I also love that it has this kind of like brown stitching on it. I'm not sure if you can tell, hopefully you'll see it in the try on. I think this would look amazing like done up with maybe like the black faux leather leggings, that's the one, and like a pair of boots. I think that would look really cute, but also you could definitely chuck it on with blue jeans or something. So I've got the denim jacket on. I mean, I probably wouldn't wear it with this outfit. I mean, it does kind of go, but I'm not really sure. But I think it would look really nice with like black jeans and black boots. I'll try and find like a picture because I think I saw it on Instagram of like how I want to style it, so you can get an idea. But yeah, so it's just like a kind of creamy denim jacket, and it has kind of like brown stitching to it, and then obviously it's got the tie in the waist, so you can just kind of tie that up if you want, but obviously you could have it like undone as well, but I feel like it doesn't really look that great, you know. I feel like it looks better once you've kind of belted it. I picked up these trousers here. Now to be honest, they're not really what I expected. I thought they were going to be more of like a camely brown, kind of similar to this colour, but they've got an almost like greyish hue to them. So I'll have to try them on and see what like I think, but I do love the style of these trousers. I have quite a few from H&M already, but they're just like a kind of slim, kind of skinny fit trouser, and it has the kind of paper bag style waist, and size wise I got them in a UK size 8, and price they were £19.99. Okay, so I've got on the trousers. I do really like the kind of style of them, and they're a little bit too short for me in like the leg length. I feel like it looks a little bit weird. I love this kind of style of trouser because I feel like they're easy to chuck on. You can kind of dress them up, dress them down. They're like super comfortable. The shade of them I'm not too keen on. I just feel like it's a little bit weird shade. I wish they were kind of more of like a tan camel colour. But let me know what you think. And then last thing I picked up is just this little black kind of dress here. It's quite floaty, to be honest. I'm not sure if it's going to be really big on me. Like, it looks super big. I got it in the extra small, hoping it was going to turn out a little bit smaller, but it hasn't. So I will see what it looks like on. I was kind of planning on wearing this with, and the light's gone weird again, one sec. There we go. I was planning on wearing this with like little black boots. I thought that would be a really cute look, but I'm not so sure now that I've actually seen the dress in real life. But yeah, price wise it was £39.99, so it's definitely a bit pricey. Like, it's not anything special. I feel like the quality doesn't feel like, I mean, it's good quality, but it's not like, oh my god, I could see why this is £40. Like, I would kind of expect it to be like £20 from H&M, but we'll see, you never know. Like, it might look amazing on, and I've just been talking rubbish for the past 5 minutes. Okay, so this is what the dress looks like on. It is super cute. I just really like the kind of like style of it, especially with just like little black boots. I think it looks really cute. You could throw on like a leather jacket over the shoulders, and I think that would look really nice for kind of like autumn. Great for like going to dinner or something, but if you don't want to wear like something too dressy, but you don't want to be like super casual in jeans and like trainers. I do think it is still like very oversized for an extra small. I mean, I normally wear a small in things, so I already sized down, and it is still like quite big. So yeah, I'm not sure. It has like really nice kind of like button details on the sleeves, but I think for like how much it is, I think I can get it like cheaper elsewhere. But it is really nice. It kind of goes a little bit longer at the back, which is nice. It definitely needs an iron, so let's just excuse that. Okay, so that is everything I picked up from H&M. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!